Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan's aviation sector is making big moves. A new military transport aircraft is being proposed for the Pakistan Air Force. If approved, this aircraft could enhance troop mobility, logistics, and rapid response capabilities. Will it take off? Time will tell. A foreign stealth fighter made a rare stopover at a Pakistan Air Force base, sparking curiosity among defense analysts. Was it part of a classified military exercise, or is Pakistan exploring new defense collaborations? The mystery deepens. Pakistan and China are joining forces once again, this time to develop next-gen autonomous combat systems. From AI-powered drones to robotic warfare, this collaboration could reshape the battlefield. How will it impact regional security? Let's find out. Pakistan's Taimur air defense system is set for critical high-altitude trials soon. Capable of neutralizing aerial threats at extreme ranges, this system could be a game-changer in modern warfare. Is Pakistan entering the era of advanced missile defense? The Philippine Navy is seeking to strengthen its naval cooperation with Pakistan. This initiative follows a recent visit by a Pakistani naval delegation to Manila, aiming to enhance defense ties and regional security. Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. Pakistan's defense industry has unveiled the Sarkash Kamikaze drone, a long-range loitering munition designed for precision strikes. With a 1,000-kilometer range and a 50-kilogram payload, the turbojet-powered Sarkash can loiter over targets for extended periods, identifying and engaging high-value assets. Its advanced guidance systems enhance its ability to suppress enemy air defenses, a tactic proven effective in recent conflicts. As modern warfare increasingly incorporates drone technology, the Sarkash positions Pakistan to effectively counter and outmatch adversary defenses. Pakistan has unveiled the Rasool 250, a cutting-edge air-launched cruise missile developed by Global Industrial Defense Solutions. Weighing up to 285 kilograms with a booster, the Rasool 250 boasts a range of 350 kilometers and carries a 75-kilogram semi-armor piercing warhead. Its remarkable accuracy, with a margin of less than 5 meters, emphasizes precision over sheer explosive power. This advancement signifies a strategic shift in Pakistan's aerial capabilities, enabling precise engagement of high-value targets while minimizing collateral damage. The Rasool 250 not only enhances Pakistan's deterrence posture, but also positions its defense industry as a competitive player in the global arms market. At IDEX 2025, Pakistan's defense industry showcased a strategic focus on its core strengths, particularly in cost-effective production of low to mid-tier defense technologies. By sourcing critical components domestically, such as materials and propulsion systems, Pakistan aims to offer competitive pricing in the global defense market. This approach not only reduces reliance on foreign suppliers, but also enhances self-sufficiency. The emphasis on affordability and indigenous production is designed to attract countries seeking reliable defense solutions without the premium price tag, thereby expanding Pakistan's footprint in the international arms industry. Pakistan is stepping up its drone warfare capabilities with the introduction of the Blaze loitering munitions. These advanced drones are designed for precision strikes, capable of operating in swarms to overwhelm enemy defenses. With AI-driven navigation and real-time battlefield coordination, Blaze drones enhance Pakistan's offensive and defensive strategies. Their ability to track and destroy moving targets makes them a game-changer in modern warfare. As the world shifts towards autonomous combat, Pakistan's latest innovation signals a major leap in unmanned aerial warfare. Pakistan and Turkey are joining forces to develop next-generation autonomous combat systems. This collaboration aims to create AI-powered drones, robotic warfare units, and advanced battlefield technology for modern defense needs. With Turkey's expertise in drone warfare and Pakistan's growing defense industry, this partnership strengthens both nations' military capabilities. These autonomous systems will provide greater precision, real-time data processing, and improved situational awareness on the battlefield. As the global defense landscape evolves, Pakistan and Turkey's alliance marks a significant step toward the future of smart warfare. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.